Welcome back to part 2 of St. Patrick's Day with the Baking Diva. Today we're going to make the other party dip that we're going to bring to my grandson's birthday party. And that one's going to be my Cheesy Ritz Dip. So if you saw part 1 of this video, you've seen the other Reuben Dip I made. And if you didn't, when you're done here, go back and watch part 1, because we have my grandson Jake's 15th birthday. Little guy was born on St. Patrick's Day, but he's not a little guy anymore. He's a whole head taller than me. And we might even have a few highlights of the family celebration. So let's get started with the dip. First, I'm going to take a bowl here. And in it, I'm going to put 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. Okay. And to that, I'm going to add, I can't read from over here. I have my notes too far away. I'm going to add a half a cup of mayonnaise. I use Hellmann's mayonnaise. I love Hellmann's, but you use whatever kind you like. So that's a half a cup of mayo. Then I'm going to put in that 1 cup of grated Swiss cheese, which I grated with my own little hands last night. So let's put that in. And all these recipes are going to be in the description box below. 2 tablespoons of chopped green onion. Now, for those of you that aren't familiar and you say, what's a green onion? Right, cameraman?
Right.
You know, with me recovering from my surgery, you've been going to the food store a lot and helping me out. So, have you figured out what a green onion is yet?
I sure have.
What's a green onion?
Scallions.
Exactly. So when a recipe calls for a green onion, they mean scallions. So don't go search in the food store till you're blue in the face looking for a green onion. So anyway, we put those ingredients in. That was the cream cheese, the mayonnaise, the grated Swiss, and the chopped green onion. And we're going to mix all of this together. Now, I call this the putting on the Ritz cheese dip. You might say, what is she talking about? What's the diva up to again? Well, this is not my recipe. This recipe's been around for a long time, and it's yummy. And I knew everyone would like it today, so I thought I'd bring this over to my daughters and the Reuben Dip. So we're going to mix this really well. Now, I'm going to mix it a little more in a minute. Now, what you're also going to need is you're going to need 8 slices of cooked bacon. Now, look at these babies. I like to bake my bacon in the oven. I put it in there at 400 degrees for about, say, 20 minutes. And look how these things come out. Perfect. Nobody likes droopy, flopping bacon. So what I'm going to do with this bacon, and I'll do it off camera, is I'm going to chop it into pieces. So let me put this aside. And then what I also did is I took, you ready now? Ritz crackers. You know what Ritz crackers are. I put them in this little bag and I crushed them. And you're going to need about a half a cup of Ritz crackers. Now, once I get this all mixed, you're going to place this either in a small baking dish or a pie plate. I think it comes out good. I'm using my glass, my Pyrex pie plate to put it in. So let me just get that cream cheese mixed a little bit more, and then I'll put it in the pie plate. Now, this needs to be baked in a 350 degree oven for, let me see, 15 to 20 minutes, or until it's hot and bubbly. Now, I'm not going to do that now because I want to serve the dip hot at my daughter's house. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this over there, and when I get over there, I'll put it in her oven. So stay tuned because I want you to see the finished product when we show you how it came out at my daughter's. And I'm going to try to put some highlights of the birthday boy in there, if he lets me. You know, he's a teenager now, right, Grandpa?
That's for sure.
And at that age, they don't always like to get their picture taken. So I'll try my best. So here I'm going to take my glass Pyrex pie plate. Now, I love this thing. It looks like this, and it comes with a cover that snaps onto it. I think I ordered these off of QVC, and I think it's great, especially when you want to transport something somewhere. So I'm going to put the mixture in the pie plate. Spread it around. And then I think what I'm going to do is, rather than put the chopped bacon on top and the Ritz crackers, I'm going to bring them over to my daughter's and put them on right before I put this in the oven. So, here we go. The first part of this Cheesy Ritz Dip. And I'll be back in a few minutes to show you what it looks like when we're done. And don't forget, if you didn't see part 1, go back and watch part 1 of this video. See you later. Toodles! There's my daughter, Dawn. Hi. We brought the dips. Hi, Dawn. We brought the dips over. We have the one in the oven. We have the cheddar Ritz bacon one in the oven. She's going to take it out. It's bubbly. Was in there for about 20 minutes at 350. How's it look, Dawn?
Oh, it looks very bubbly and good.
Look at that bacon on there. Yummy. It's
bubbling up.
Oh, and I think the other one, the microwave's going off.
We have to check
the
that
Reuben Dip, that goes in the microwave. Hi, Aaron.
Can I help you with anything?
How you doing?
No.
Just these two dips.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Else is done.
Timer went off, and now the Reuben Dip is coming out. Come on, Dawn. Get that baby over to the table. Isn't my daughter beautiful? And here's the Reuben Dip with all that melted Swiss in it. Yummy in the tummy. So we have the two dips out on the table. We have a little pumpernickel bread here. We have some bagel chips and some wheat chips. And we're going to see what everybody thinks. Look at that. The hands are going in the dip.
It's
We'll
looking
have to
good.
see what everybody thinks. Hello. I'm here too, and I'm tasting the Reuben Dip. I need to taste it before it's all gone. Jason, my son-in-law, right, Dawn? I think he gave it a thumbs up. Let me taste this. That sauerkraut in there. And oh my gosh, and the corned beef. Thumbs up, everybody. See you later. There's the cameraman and his little girl, Dawn. Hi, guys.
Hello, Diva.
You're having a fun St. Patrick's Day?
Oh, yeah.
Wonderful.
And there, we're going to zoom in on that shirt again.
Ay, ay, ay.
Whoops. There's your little boy, Dawn, on the shirt.
He's so cute.
That shirt is 14 years old, right?
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Wasn't that fun when he had his first birthday party?
Sweet.
No, we're fine.
Hello, Pebbles. Pebbles is looking for corned beef, right, Pebbles? She's so cute. Are you a cutie? Are you a cutie pie? Say, yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Pebbles, what you doing? You're so cute. Here's all the food we have for Jake's little family birthday party. Some bread. Ooh, Caesar salad. That mixture of corned beef and cabbage and potatoes and carrots. And for those that don't like corned beef, ooh, what kind of chicken is this? Is this chicken franchise? And penne pasta. All right, enough filming for now. We have to dive into the food. So Lucas, you're gonna have chicken? Gonna have some pasta too?
Want a beer,
No
Lucas?
pasta? No?
Oh, there was pasta.
Cooking tomorrow. So we all...
We have Jake, the birthday boy. Hi, Jake.
Hi.
You feel any older?
No.
Not really, huh? No. You driving this year?
Impressive.
No, you are not. Next year.
Jake, she's
The kids are eating. Hi, Aaron. What are you having? And there's Lucas. What are you having, Lukey Dukes? Pasta and chicken? And there's Jake. Jake's got chicken and pasta. And there's Pebbles. Pebbles, what do you want to eat?
She's eating chicken right now.
Oh, yeah? She's got a big bowl of food?
She has beef.
Oh, she has beef. Oh, okay.
You need a knife, Jake?
Kids are in the kitchen and the adults are eating in the dining room. Hi, everybody.
Hello.
Hello. How's the food?
Great.
Good? Yeah. How did Jason do making the corned beef?
Very good.
Okay. Well, enough filming.
Great like him.
Time to eat.
Sure.
Hi, Jake. Happy birthday, number 15. And who do we have here? There's Uncle Scott over there. There's Kyle.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
There's Grandpa Nagel. There's Daddy Jason and Mommy Dawn. And who's over there? Aaron's up there on the steps. Oh, and who's there? Little Lucas. Hi, Lucas. I can't see you. Hi. And Phyllis, Grandma Phyllis. Oh, and Papu, Jerry, and Nana Phyllis. And we're all getting ready to sing happy birthday to the birthday boy. Let's go. Hit it.
The light, Scott.
Hit it.
Jake. Ready?
Ooh, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jake. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Yay!
Oh, the lights are going again, Donnie.
No, don't say that. I finally got it correct.
Did you make a wish, Jake?
Sure.
Okay.
You wish for
Say
more
wish
V-Bucks?
first.
Yeah, I wish for more V-Bucks.